Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to your Excel solution for today. Today we want to look at how to sum sales of day with odd days. So here we have sales data for each day from the 15th of April 2020 to 24th April 2020, and we have now used the weekday function to really convert the days into the weekdays, where 4 means a Wednesday and the 1 means a Sunday. So starting from Sunday to Saturday, so 1 to 7. Remember that there are 7 days within a week. So these are the days, and we have 4 being an even number, 5 being an odd number. Now we want to find the total sales for all the even or all the odd day sales, and the second one will be for the even day sales. Now to do that, we will use the sum product and the ISODD function. So we start with an equal sign, sum product. So we are saying sum product, we choose our array, but we are interested in the odd number, so we say is odd, we introduce the 2 negative so that it will return it to a positive. Then we choose our array of days, so these are where we have our days. Then we close the parentheses, we multiply it with the sales data. So we open our parentheses, select the array or the range, then we close the parentheses. Then we close the parentheses for the ISODD. Really remember that the ISODD is really affecting only this. So then we have our array sorted out. So then we can use our Control Alt to really enter. Voila. So then this one gives us the sales, the sum total of sales for the odd numbers. Okay, so now we move on to the second one, which is the sum of sales with even days. So we start with an equal to sum product. We select, so we are interested in the even number, so it's even. So pop up, we select it. Introduce our 2 negative, we select our range, that's for the days. Then we close our parentheses, then we multiply it with the sales data. We open our parentheses, select the range, close our parentheses, use the Alt Control. First I need to close the bracket, so we close the parentheses, we use the Alt Control Enter, then voila, the Control Enter will give us the solution. So we can see that for the sum sales with even days gives us 242,896, and that for the odd numbers gives us this. If you really want to check, we can quickly use the shortcut key. We can use the Alt plus equal to, then quickly to give us the total, which is 469. Let's see if the total of this will be the same. So 469401. What it means is that this is correct. So you have the sales with odd days as this, and the sales with even days as this. This is how smart you can really use some of the Excel tools to solve your daily problems. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.